Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to edit an image on an Amazon store page. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. Here is the Amazon store interface in Amazon advertising. Of course, you need to have a store. This is something that you should have done a long time ago if you have a registered brand in Amazon brand registry. And basically what I want to do, and I'll show you what the store looks like right now. This is my Amazon store. You can see that there's some images on the page, and I'm going to swap out one of the images on the home page. So let's go back to the store view. Here's the store in 30 minutes. Click on Edit Store, and it shows each one of the pages. So the home page actually is selected by default. It defaults to the mobile view because that's the way most customers will see it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down. Get rid of this first. Keep on going. And this is the image I want to swap out. This one right here. So, image must be at least 750 by 750 pixels. I actually already have an image ready to go. It's this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy the name. I can't remember if it lets me drag it. And click Upload New. Here it is. Open. And this image, by the way, is 900 by 900 pixels. So keep it like that. I'll give it a tag, IBPA award, because this book won an award. And I think we're good to go. So click Done, and then Submit for publishing. Let's try again. The store will be submitted for review. It can take up to 24 hours. You can choose the publishing date. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click Submit. And requested, pending review. So we'll finish by January 12th, 2023. That's a few days from now. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Also, if you go to leanmedia.org, it's my official blog, click on blog or video. I have tons more free resources about using different types of Amazon programs and also my insights into online selling in the media industry. Thanks so much for watching.